Hi friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I have another art vlog. Pero ano nga ba yung topic natin sa art vlog? Actually, I'm going to be sharing about MMA and the softwares na ginamit ko when I was in college. Ano nga ba ang MMA? MMA is mixed martial arts. Pwede rin. But seriously, MMA stands for Multimedia Arts. Multimedia Arts is from the word multi, which is madami, plenty, and media is for TV, computer, radio. Ano naman yung mga arts na related sa TV, radio, and computer? These are 2D animations, 3D animations, web designs, graphic designs, audio and video productions, photography. Kaya, if you're into arts and technology, Multimedia Arts is the course for you. Multimedia Arts program is a 4-year course and there are several universities in the Philippines that offers this course, namely the La Salle College of St. Benilde, I-Academy, College of Arts and Technology, Mapwa University, Far Eastern University, to name a few. And did you know that the La Salle College of St. Benilde is the founder of the Multimedia Arts program here in the Philippines? That's right! And proud Benildean here! Now that you have an overview of what Multimedia Arts is, it's time that I talk about the softwares na ginamit ko while I was still in college. It's okay kapag wala kayong alam sa mga softwares na babanggitin ko dahil nandyan ang mga professors niyo para turuan kayo sa mga basics ng mga softwares. Kaya huwag kayong matakot sa Multimedia Arts. Sa totoo lang, isang software lang alam kong gamitin before I started out college. But the important thing is, you have the passion for learning and nag-e-enjoy lang kayo sa ginagawa niyo. Ang kauna-unahang software na natutunan ko before I started out college was Adobe Photoshop. Ayan, Adobe Photoshop was a favorite by most multimedia art students dahil dito kami gumagawa ng mga marketing collaterals like posters and flyers as well as social media posts. And dito rin kami nag-e-edit ng photos as well as gumagawa ng mga photo manipulations. Kaya best friend talaga to ng mga multimedia artists. Next application is Adobe Illustrator. Bakit kaya Adobe Illustrator is a second must-have for multimedia artists? Adobe Illustrator is a vector graphics software at dyan kami gumagawa ng mga logos, infographics, vector arts. All sorts of illustrations, isama nyo na rin ang typography. Kaya Adobe Illustrator is very important for multimedia artists. The next application is Adobe InDesign. Once ko lang naggamit ang Adobe InDesign when my professor required us to submit a magazine for a final output. So Adobe InDesign was the perfect software for the job. Adobe InDesign is designed to be a layout publishing software. So kaya niya ang mga multiple page heavy text like magazines, newspapers, books, and even e-books. Kaya kapag ikaw ay isang publishing company, Adobe InDesign is recommended for you. The application that we used during our web design class was Adobe Dreamweaver. Back then, I had zero knowledge when it comes to HTML and CSS. Pero ang kagandahan dito sa Adobe Dreamweaver is that it has a built-in code editor and user-friendly siya. Meaning, if you type in a code, may lalabas na mga hints para tulungan kayo, and this application is recommended even for beginners. Next application is Adobe Premiere Pro. Just like Dreamweaver, Adobe Premiere Pro is very easy to use. Pero ang Adobe Premiere Pro is a video production software. So, para kayong nagda-drag and drop ng mga transitions, effects, video titles, and graphics. So, kapag vlogger kayo, Adobe Premiere Pro is also another software which you can use just like KineMaster, which is a phone application. Another video production software is Adobe After Effects. once ko lang nagamit ang Adobe After Effects when I made an opening billboard for a class. And I only used simple animations. Adobe After Effects is also used for motion graphics and special effects like laser, explosions na nakikita niyo sa TVs and movies. Also, may mga codes din ang Adobe After Effects for more complex animations. Moving on to the animation side. During our college years, I also had 2D animation because that's part of the Multimedia Arts curriculum. And the software that we use is Adobe Flash or Adobe Animate. Before namin inaralan ang Adobe Flash, we underwent the traditional style of animation. Meaning, we used cell, a transparent drawing paper, and the light box. 3 parts kasi ang aming 2D animation. And on the final production stage, that's the time we use Adobe Flash where we animated and painted our works digitally. Matrabaho lang ang 2D and 3D animations dahil frame by frame mong i-animate ang movement ng iyong subject. Tapos na tayo sa 2D animation, now let's head on to 3D animation. The software na ginamit namin on our 3D animation class was Autodesk Maya. Masaya ang 3D animation kasi para ka lang gumagawa ng sims, nagpo-form ng objects. So, modeling talaga is one of my favorite topics as well as texturing kasi para ka lang nagkukulay. Ang rigging is, hindi ko pa kasi masyadong na-explore ang rigging. Ang rigging kasi, as what I have understood, para ka lang nag-combine ng 2 separate objects kaya may pagka-complexity ang rigging. And we're on to one of my favorite classes in Benilde, that's audio production. Bakit ko kaya ito nagiging favorite class? Sa audio production kasi, dito kami nagre-record ng mga spiels, radio commercials, voice-over and dubbing ng mga English to Tagalog scripts, and vice versa. And we use Pro Tools as our editing software. Why Pro Tools? Pro Tools kasi ang industry standard software na ginagamit sa mga radio stations, ABS-CBN, GMA, kaya ito ang pinagamit sa amin. And audio production class is worth the experience. The last but not the least software is Adobe Director. We use Adobe Director in our author class. Author stands for Interactive Authoring or Logical Programming. Gumagawa kami ng mga interactive contents like games, music and video players, at gumagamit din ng codes ang software na ito. Imagine, web design and author subject ko pinagsabay ko in one term, kaya duguan talagang utak ko sa mga codes. Pero may natutunan naman ako. And take note, wala na ang author subject in the new Multimedia Arts curriculum. I hope you find this video helpful if you want to pursue multimedia arts. If you have some comments and suggestions, please leave me a message. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so and click the bell icon for more video updates. Thank you for watching and remember to always keep inspiring and keep creating. Bye!